Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How Long Does a Typical Kitchen Remodel Take from Start to Finish? If you've ever wondered just how long you'll be living off microwave meals and takeout while your kitchen undergoes a facelift, you're not alone. Remodeling a kitchen can seem as daunting as running a marathon in flip-flops, but with the right plan, it's entirely manageable. Let's break down the timeline, shall we? From start to finish, a typical kitchen remodel usually takes anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Roger, that's longer than my gym membership lasted. But hang tight because this process is more rewarding than an extra slice of pie after dinner. The initial stages, I'm talking about design and planning, can take 2 to 4 weeks. This is where you dream big: layout, materials, and the overall vibe you're going for. If you've ever had to decide between stainless steel and matte black appliances, you know this part requires some serious thought. Once the plan is locked down, you're looking at 2 to 3 weeks for the nitty-gritty of permitting and ordering materials. Permits are your golden tickets, ensuring everything's up to code. So don't treat them like an afterthought, folks. Now comes the demolition phase, which is typically 1 to 2 weeks. It's messy, noisy, and a bit like watching your old kitchen get its own HGTV moment. If I had a dollar for every surprise we found behind the drywall, y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Next, the real magic occurs. Installation and construction take up the bulk, about 3 to 5 weeks. This is where your new cabinets, counters, and appliances come to life, but you'll need a bit of patience, like a slow cooker on a Sunday roast. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Make sure your contractor is transparent and careful with scheduling to avoid unnecessary delays. Because no one wants to be that person blaming the contractor for the holiday meals being served from a makeshift kitchen. Finishing touches, such as backsplash and lighting, usually take another week. It's the cherry on top, the final flourish that turns your space from a construction site into a welcoming culinary haven. So, while a 2 to 3 month timeline may sound substantial, with good planning and the right expertise, it can be seamless and even enjoyable. By the time you're done, you'll have a kitchen that makes every meal feel gourmet. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all!